Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today we're going to go through this bag of goodies that was gifted to me. Alright, let's see what all's in here. Oh, lots of fun stuff. Let's start out with these. They almost look like mini Cheerios. Oh, these are nice. I like these. I don't know if they're acrylic. They may be bone, actually. I was thinking they were acrylic, but they may be bone. Look like little donuts. Those are nice. I don't usually work with bone, but we'll see what I can do with those. They're kind of a he-she shape. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love the shine on those. The flash, I guess you could call it. And I just think they're glass beads. Those are really pretty. Definitely will need to make something with those. And we've got some more glass beads, it looks like. Those double hole. Yeah, they're a double hole. You know what would be cool is if I could find some type of cording that's a different color, maybe pink, to go through there and make a bracelet or necklace or something. I see a bracelet with those. There's some black beads. These are probably about a 3 or 4 millimeter. Just glass black beads. Those are nice. Let's go ahead and just dump everything out here. Oh, well, maybe not. I was going, oh my goodness, look at him. That's cute. Ooh, I like that. All right. We have these. Ooh, talk about flash. Look at that. Some just little glass crystals. And I have some beads like this, actually. Those are really pretty. Looks like I got a whole strand of those. What's this? Okay, let me put these back in here before I get them all over the place. Oh, these look fun. Fiber optic. I don't know if that means anything. Oh, these are fun. I don't know if you can see the hole. And they kind of have a little flash to them. Those are cool. Fiber optic. I'll have to look that up and see if maybe that's the name of those beads. I don't know, because they kind of flash a little bit. Oh, another 2-hole bead. I wonder if these are rose quartz. I don't know. They're faceted. Those are really pretty. They look like a rose quartz. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Oh, I wish I would have had him at Christmas, but there's always next year. Definitely will need to make something with him. Oh, he's adorable. All right, that's really nice. And it opens up. I'll put some pictures in there. This is cool. Ooh, look at that. I really, really like that. I don't know what it's made out of. What else do we have here? Oh, those will make fun. I got 2 of them. They'll make fun little chandelier earrings. To think about how I want to do that. Oh, I like those. I'm running through this really quick. Oh, look at this. Can you see what it is? It's a sand dollar. And I believe that's a venturine. I don't know if you can see the carving. You can see the holes. But that's definitely a sand dollar. There you go. Wow, that's pretty. We have here some praying hands. Those are nice. Looks like some more aventurine here. Queen's rings. Not for sure, like I said, that means anything. Oh, wow, you know, I might use this all in one piece. Those are nice. I don't know what this is. Looks like somebody tried to do something and abandoned the project. These are just acrylic beads. You know what? These beads look really familiar to me. I think we had these years ago. When I say years ago, I'm talking, it's going to age me a lot, but over 50 years ago. Yeah, that's a 5-0 I'm talking about. When I was in junior high, or maybe a little bit older, my sisters and I and my mom, we made jewelry. And anything, you know, special. But this looks like it's macrame. That would have been about right. But that's what this is all about. How about that? A blast from the past. Anyway, this was fun opening all this stuff. And now to create with some of it. Put these in here so you can see them better. Zoom out. This guy's really cute. Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.